Hello everybody, Penny Stock Whispers here, doing a stock chart video analysis of PIHN, that's the Polaris International Holdings Incorporated. Our last trading day was Wednesday, July 30th. We saw a previous close of 0.0011 and we closed a blast at 0.001. That was a decrease of 9.09% on a volume of 26,964,114 shares. Interestingly enough, though, we did see a low of 0.0008, that's 0008, and we did open at 0009, so there was some potential for some gains today. All in all, PIHN indicators are looking very good, seeing a lot of bullish indicators here, some strong supports and some big upturns on a lot of on our tricks lines here. So I want to get started. Our 14-day RSI is at 37.98. This isn't too bad of a place to be. We are trending upwards here. You can see that we have had higher lows over the last couple days. This is showing us that we are improving here. We are gaining strength and moving up towards that 50 crossover, which I'm really excited to see soon. Crossing above that 50 puts us right between the 70 and the 50. That would be a strong buy indicator for a lot of investors. That's known as the buy zone, so keep your eyes out for that. Down here on the daily charts, everything's looking real good. We closed above our support. We bounced off of it again, which I really like seeing here. It's right here, right around this 0009 area here, so we did touch that and closed above it though, which is always a good thing to see. We are also riding right there by our 12-day EMA, so crossing over that would be a good thing to see as well. And if you take a look here, you can see we have been trading within a channel. We've been bouncing between this 001 and this 0009. We've been bouncing between there for a few days. I'd like to see us break out of that tomorrow. I think it could happen with this increased volume that we've been seeing and a lot of these strong bullish indicators that I'm about to get to. Our MACD is looking very strong here. We are trending upwards. We did cross over our signal line not too long ago, so to see this moving up towards that zero line crossover is always a good thing to see. But what has me really excited is this 15-day tricks. We have a nice change in direction as well as a crossover all at the same time. That is a double bullish indicator. It's a strong buy indicator for a lot of people, and it has me excited. When they cross over like that, it's always a good sign that we're going to start moving upwards, so keep your eyes on that. If you're more of a long-term trader, I did pull up a 30-day tricks for you as well. This one's looking pretty good. We are pinching with our signal line. Should see a crossover of that over the coming days, possibly a couple weeks ahead from now. All in all, PIHN is looking really good. If you take a look at our slow stochastics, we are trading within our buy zone. That's that 80 to 50 zone like I've been talking about. We just dipped underneath our signal line, but that's not too bad. I think we were moving up a little too quickly there. Anyway, to see a little consolidation is a sign of strength and a strong foundation being built up behind these investors. So it's always a good thing to see. CCI 20 days at negative 33.33, not too bad either. We are just beneath that zero line. We've been trending upwards on this one as well. That's the name of the game behind PIHN and these indicators. We've been seeing a lot of trending up as far as our highs, our lows go. We've been seeing higher lows, so that's always a good thing to see. If you're trading the stochastic RSI, you would like to see that our 14-day moving average is within that 0.8 to 0.5 area. It's at 0.65, currently still trending upwards. Seeing a lot of strength there. It's always a good thing to see when you see that the stochastic RSI is right around maxed out. It's at 0.891, starting to pull on that 14-day moving average. It's always a good thing when you see that trading within that 0.8, 0.4, so, or 0.5. So keep your eyes on this one. It's looking pretty strong. Checking money flow, 20 days looking pretty good as well. We have been trading trending upwards on this one as well. Like I said, this has just been the name of the game as far as PIHN goes. Everything's been trending nice and strong here, so keep your eyes on the checking money flow. ADX looking good. We are seeing our negative DI above our positive DI still. But we are turning down in our ADX line itself. It's at 29.67 and moving down. It's about to lose its credibility as far as determining our downtrends and uptrends go. Furthermore, the negative and positive DIs are very close together. Would love to see a quick reversal of these. It wouldn't be too hard. If you take a look here in the past, that happens pretty frequently. They cross over each other very swiftly, very violently. So to see that crossover would really signify an uptrend. And hopefully that ADX line would have time to recover and we could still count it as a relevant indicator. PVO looking good. We bounced off of our zero line here. We were trending down. It's a pretty good thing to see when you see that consolidating, and it didn't tank like we might expect after seeing our days during this time. You see how we were trending up here, and right around that same time our PPS was trending down. So to see that not take such a big hit isn't too bad to see. So see this recovering already, hitting that zero and bouncing up. It's prepared for a signal line crossover, which would be another bullish indicator as well. Money flow index is at 61.25, pretty good place to be. Everything, like I said before, is just lining up perfectly. We're seeing this trending up, it's gaining strength, telling us that we're ready to break out of that channel that we were looking at up there on our daily charts. And lastly, but most certainly not least, our accumulation distribution is looking really good here. during that big downturn that we saw up there, we saw a lot of our investors selling out all their shares. We saw our accumulation drop right here to rock bottom, and now that we're about ready to break out of that channel, we've got all of these perfectly aligned indicators to top it all off. All these investors are coming back in. We're getting some strong hands down here at the bottom. They're building it back up, and with all these people accumulating shares at this price, they're going to want to sell out much higher. So to see this this sort of accumulation with all these indicators lining up perfectly, that lets me know that PIHN is just about ready for a move, and I would definitely keep your eyes on it. Put it on your watch list. We could see something fantastic happen over the next couple days. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, I encourage you to leave them in the comment section below. I'd love to take a look at them, answer any of them that you may have. And if you want more information on PIHN, head over to our website, www.pennystockwhispers.com. Let me reload this for you here. pennystockwhispers.com. If it ever wants to load, you can punch in your email address and head right over there, and we'll get you started. You just punch in an email address, we'll send you all kinds of information about PIHN. And if you're on the go, you can head over to your Android mobile store, Google Play, type in Penny Stock Whispers, and install our app here as well. It's got a ton of reviews. It's a really nice thing to see and use. You can access our Twitter feeds, our stock chart videos, stock quotes, and all the information about our stocks, and as well as PIHN. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and hopes everyone has a nice day. Thank you again.